Top guys, and welcome to another episode on our channel. It's a little after 8:15 p.m. right now here in Samoa. As you can see, I'm on the road boarding some Tiapula, the TARO suckers, about 3,000. So we got 3,000 Tiapula from one of our family friends who has a TARO plantation. And so yeah, we were able to get 3,000. So I'm traveling towards Lefanga, where we have our plantation. As you can see, it's quite right now, and we had to wait until our farmer friend was able to bring the Tiapula, which was about 7:45, and that's why we're quite late on the road. Sorry about that. Trying to drive and record at the same time, but that's why I wanted to share this, because this is one of the realities of TARO farming here in Samoa. Is you got to make do with what you can and the time that you have. So we've got the boys coming in tomorrow at around 5:30 a.m. So I wanted to get the Tiapula onto the plantation as soon as possible, especially onto the plot where we've cleared the land prepped already for planting tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. As you can see, it's quite dark and the road is quite wet. It's been raining the past 4 hours now here in Samoa. So try and stay awake, which is why I've got a good old trusted V. She's not a paid sponsorship, if you guys are wondering. Would love to though, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoy today's episode, and feel free to comment below, like and subscribe to our channel, and share it if you guys any friends who are interested in farming here in Samoa. We'll get you guys another update once we get to the farm. Peace. Hey guys, so we're almost there. Made it to the 3-corner, which takes us to the plantation, to our village. If you take a right here, it takes you to the airport. If you take a left here, which is what I'm doing now, and that'll take us straight to our village. So it's been a tiring drive. I've had to drive slowly. Because I'm just worried in case the Tiapula might fall off of the truck. But so far it's going good. Still got my raincoat on because it's still raining here. So we'll head home and pick up help from home so that we can take the Tiapula to the plantation. See you guys in a bit. Hey guys, it's creeping up to 9 now, 8:45. I'm here in Samoa, just here at home now. I'm picking up some help from Uncle and the boys to take the Tiapula to the plantation. Hey guys, so we've arrived here at the plantation now and just about to offload the Tiapula, the TARO now, the TARO suckers. So it's quite dark here, so we're trying to get this sorted as soon as possible, as you guys can see. So this is the plot we're planning to plant tomorrow. Hopefully have a good episode on that. This is the Talovave variety. This is the Fushi variety. Only two varieties. Hope you guys that's the reality of farming sometimes here in Samoa. We gotta make time for these kind of trips. So we're gonna start planting tomorrow. We'll get to you in tomorrow's episode. Hopefully got some good content there. But that's for today. I'm gonna sleep now. See you tomorrow.